Oh, by the way, so my behavior system, real quick. If you want your kids,
They're calling maintenance.
that's a pattern interrupt, okay? Pattern interrupts are what I've been doing. Pattern interrupts the singing songs, if you're happy, you know it, barking, noises, whatever. If you want your kids to pay attention, first things first, you pattern interrupt. Pattern interrupt could be anything from, all of a sudden, if you start singing in your classroom, row, 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 your boat, all the kids will start singing. I change my voice, I do my accents. It doesn't matter, I'm not auditioning for Saturday Night Live. But I change my voice, my accent. I say, get in my bed. No matter what, the kids, they hear the voice, the accent. I can sound like my father. I can sound like my father doing Israeli accent. It doesn't matter what I want to do. And then the kids. Yeah, I know that's you. I heard you talking. I'm like, Mom. Oh, shit. Okay, sorry. But you change your voice and your accent. You change your voice or your accent, and then the kids all look at you. You do animal noises. Seriously, by the way, too, when I say do animal noises, if you want your kids to pay attention to you in a second, all you do is real simple. Moo! And now your voice in your head, some people are going to go, that's awesome, can't wait to try it. Some people's voice in their head going, I'm not doing that. I'm an educator, not an entertainer, and then you ruin your own happiness, whatever. Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching my videos. Ron Schwally here. Just wanted to say I appreciate you. Feel free to like, subscribe, and click on the bell if you want to see more videos coming your way to be alerted. Just thank you so much, and feel free to share this content with anybody who you think would find some value from this. Have an awesome, joyous, wonderful, breath-filled rest of your day.